just got this in, so let's just get started with unboxing. Alright, so the AC adapter that we got with this is right in here, so let's just take that out. And here it is. Now there should be a cable that's back here. There we go. So that's the cable that we need. Let's just open this up too. So that's gonna go right here. So that's how that looks like. And yeah, it's pretty long. It's a pretty good cable. And right here on the other side, just take that out. Here we go. And that's it, pretty standard. It's nothing really special about this. Let me just show you a close-up, just in case. There's gonna be a lot of people watching this just because of this. So here are all the stats you guys get around your adapter right here. And that's it. It is fairly small, so it's not those huge ones. You guys can see that, how this fits on my hand. It's about, well, actually smaller than a phone. Obviously thicker, it's twice that thick as a phone, but the size of it is pretty small. So I guess that's what's special about this one. It's not huge, but then again, they're not making them that big anymore. Now that said, we did get some manuals. So right in here, these are the only paperwork we're gonna get with this, by the way. There's nothing else in that envelope. And here it is. It's very basic. I do have a setup video if you guys want to watch that. Right now, this is just an unboxing, and we could see what's exactly inside the box. But this would be the paperwork that we get inside. And there's another one right here. It's just in another language. It's the exact same thing, by the way. So those are the instructions for this. So we're just gonna leave that on the side. And finally, we could take a look at the laptop itself. All right, so we're just gonna open it up and I'll show you all the ports and everything around it. It is big, it's a big laptop, so it's nice for work. So once again, I'm gonna show you right now the ports. Right here, you guys can notice we got a few. So we have USB, HDMI, USB-C, and for your headphone jack. On the other side, we have for our power, USB, and then just some power lights. Now, all those are all the ports, but I wanna show you how thin this is. You guys can notice my finger. That's the thickness. And then if I open this up, just want to show you the thickness of the screen, kind of. So there's my finger. There's the thickness below. That's it. It is pretty heavy anyways. Now, once you have it opened up, that's how it looks from the back. Now, here's a straightforward view, another side view, and now let's just take a look even closer. So the trackpad, what's special about it? Nothing really. It's actually smaller than what it should be. Because for the size, all the space that you have, they could make this significantly bigger. Now the keyboard, normal. I guess the only special thing about it would be this. Not all laptops will have that or even include this. Even for the size, they sometimes don't include all the numbers on the side. So that's nice. And you guys will notice all the keys on the top. Your power will actually be around here in the middle, not on the side like they usually are. And what else can I show you? Well, there's the logo there. On the very top, you do have a camera. And something most people will not notice is this. You can actually close your camera, physically close it. So that's something that a lot of people are aware of because, you know, you can always get hacked. And what I didn't show you is the bottom. So right here we have some rubber, so that's great, it goes throughout. And we have our ventilation, 2 screws, some information right here. Now I gotta say, the laptop itself is quite heavy, and that's a good thing. When laptops are not heavy at all, or they're very light, or they just feel wrong. But with this feels good quality. Again, it's big, so that's part of the reason why it weighs so much. Now again, to see the whole setup video, I do have a separate video for that, but I'm just gonna power this on so you guys can appreciate the screen size. But it's massive, it's quite big. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and like.